Here's a quick comparison between NextCloud and Syncthing. NextCloud is accessible on Safari, Chrome, or Google. This is very accessible for everyone who is using an Apple device. On the other hand, Syncthing is a continuous file synchronization program because it synchronizes files between two or more computers in real time. So unlike the NextCloud, it only syncing files on a one device. However, in Syncthing, it can actually handle multiple devices. It's either desktop or laptop. Here's a table for a concise comparison. For the primary function and architecture, NextCloud is self-hosted cloud platform, while Syncthing is real-time file synchronization and decentralized. For user experience, NextCloud is user-friendly and it has a collaboration features. On the other hand, Syncthing focuses slowly on fast, efficient, and reliable file syncing. For performance and development or deployment, NextCloud can be slower and resource intensive, while Syncthing is excellent sync speed. So if you want a more slow but precise, NextCloud is the right one for you. But if you want a faster, Syncthing is the right one for you.